It's nice and bright today. That's more like it. Merry Vlogmas Day 9 and also happy birthday to the FWF.
It's FWF birthday.
It's FWF birthday. He's refusing to come into shot though. Happy
Good morning.
birthday!
Thank you, thank you. 67.
I was going to ask if you were going to...
67.
67.
Don't know what happened.
No, neither do we.
There we are. Oh, birthday first,
Do you
is it?
recognise the bag?
Is that the one that does the rounds every year? Oh, right. Yeah, okay.
Do you recognise the tissue papers from Nancy? That's come all the way from Canada. That
Okay.
There is a card.
Papa, that's me. You sealed it. I can't recycle the envelope now.
It's got Papa written on it.
Yeah. You become 67 and you can't fight your way into an envelope. Dad, I was going to get you one of those cards that really takes the mickey, but decided that you've got me.
That as you've got me.
That as you've got me, you probably suffered enough already. Thank you, daughter.
You're welcome, Father.
My brother phoned me this morning.
Oh, that's nice. That was doing on the phone?
Yeah.
I could hardly hear him upstairs.
No.
Was it working down?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anne sent me a card.
Lovely.
Do I do the cards first?
Why not?
Is this a card?
Yeah.
Love the envelope.
I'm glad you like the envelope.
Oh, you probably can't see it, but I think it's been recycled more than once.
We have an entire dresser full of wrapping and cards and things like this. That basically, the bag that I've given Dad as present in is about 2 years old.
I'm having a
I
bad
bought
envelope
hundreds
day.
of cards all through the years, and we're now trying to use them.
That's rather nice.
Oh, I thought you'd like that one.
Oh, my darling. Yeah. They move.
No,
The bottom one does. Well, it did.
it just moves slightly.
Oh. That's not what I meant to have.
Right. Okay. Does that mean our copy dex is more than 5 years old?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
You know what this is?
Yes, I do. This is like a Fitbit watch.
I've already given it to him, but...
Well, I've given it to me, but I haven't got it going till today because it requires a bit of technology.
Yeah, I need to help him set it up with his...
You know, one of these that counts your heartbeat, heart pressure, steps, calories and all that kind of stuff. I think it's a bit of a gentle nudge, but...
It was actually your idea.
I know, I have grand ideas.
Yeah. Dad's card also said, please enjoy the consumables and experiences, because he once said that that's all he wanted.
Yeah.
Christmas.
Film vouchers as well.
Yeah.
Well done.
2 cinema
Stocking
tickets.
filler and tummy filler.
2
Yeah.
cinema tickets, 2 soft drinks, 1 regular popcorn and some boiled sweets.
That's great.
I shall be extremely happy.
Guess what we're doing this evening?
Oh, what film are we going to see?
Grindelwald, are we not?
Yeah.
Mum wants to, do you not? You like Harry Potter.
Oh yes, I thought you said... I mistook what you were saying then.
And you've been upset because you haven't had any chocolates in your calendar. These are some of my favourites, so I thought you'd like them
Monty
too.
Bojangles.
Chocky Scoffy.
Chocky Scoffy. Now that's Scoffy. You see, that's a word I can use for the aniseed.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you got to make a decision. Do you want chocolate now or do you want your licorice now?
And he's
Licorice now.
Licorice now.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
And Mum has also made Dad an amazing cake, which I will show you in a second, because if I hold it up and tilt it so that you can
might
see
be a
it, it will
problem.
fall on the floor.
Even I said it was amazing, actually. It's one of the best creations that's come out of that oven for a long time,
One of my
in terms of cakes.
one of my better efforts.
Yes.
Calendar's first then. Or
Yes.
calendar's second, but licorice first.
Licorice first. Is it the 9th today?
Really?
Yeah.
How did you know that? Oh, hello.
Yeah, that looks interesting. It's
like,
a mixture. Holsteiner, so that sounds like a beer, but probably isn't.
Beer liquid.
Miss Chung.
Licorice.
I'm guessing that's a mixture, but
It's a mixed, but there
Oh,
looks...
hello. It looks like your daily dose of pills.
It does.
I don't say that.
Sorry. But it does.
Yeah, it does.
I wonder if they like your...
Were they crunchy?
That one was like an M&M.
Oh.
What was licorice inside?
I can smell it.
Lovely. And this one is extremely chewy and juicy.
Do you have a word for the day?
Tooth-coating licorice.
Oh, toothsome.
That one didn't come out of the thesaurus.
Thesaurus.
You haven't read your comments?
Oh, I have, yes.
Oh, right.
I saw those.
But some will. Anyway, it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Let's hope Mum's is not coffee today.
Somebody liked coffee though in your comments.
Yeah.
They said it was the best thing ever. This looks white again, doesn't it? Al cuckoo.
It's with cocoa, so.
That's hopeful. It is white.
But you've been eating them.
Well, yeah.
Last year, the white ones you wouldn't even eat.
It's like the other, nutty, a bit too sweet.
Okay.
It's okay.
And then.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no!
Got coconut in it.
Ah!
Not a happy face. It's got coconut. There's two things I don't like. It's coffee and coconut.
Oh dear. You shouldn't laugh, but.
How do I get rid of it?
Have a Chucky's coffee.
Oh yeah.
I have got coconut hot chocolate. Coconut hot chocolate. I won't be giving that to Mum either. Yeah, I've had these. I know that they're good. So Dad's gonna eat the rest of Mum's coat. She's still making the bleh noises.
Oh no.
Dad's got you some nice chocolate here. Any?
It gets in your teeth.
Well, come and have one of these. And they call me a drama queen. Where do I get it from? Come and have one of these, Mum.
Did you eat it?
He did.
Mum?
Did you like it?
No, I didn't actually. But I'm not moaning.
Oh no.
I'm not a moaner. We're not going to hear about it all day, are we?
No, I've nearly got rid of it
No,
now.
you can have one of these then.
That'll
Now
take-
that looks...
that'll take tasty. That
Look at
looks
that.
rumptious.
It does, doesn't it?
David and Hazel gave me these for the first time, and they are rather good. That's a much happier face.
You're going to show people my cake?
Oh, I'm going to do that in a minute, because if I
Right.
hold it up, it'll fall off the thing, and Mum will cry.
Right,
Are you going to try one?
I am. You don't like them.
Oh, that's lovely.
I'm underwhelmed,
There are no
actually.
words. Oh no!
Oh, they're lovely.
There you go.
Okay, fine. Well,
You're underwhelmed.
have a boiled sweet.
They're not a patch on licorice.
They're gorgeous.
Happy birthday.
There's only 6 candles. You just times 0 plus 7.
Yep. Is it a plum cake?
Yeah.
Plum crumble.
Plum crumble
Plum
cake.
crumble cake.
It looks fabulous. And is this to be had with cream or custard?
Yeah, you can if you want, or you can have it as a cake with a cup of tea.
That was an either or answer, but
No,
cream and custard then clearly.
I think hot custard.
Oh.
It's meant to be like cake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
None of us will sing to you because nobody's been that bad. No, don't. No one's been that bad. Stop
No.
it.
No. All cruel.
Yeah, okay, we can't stop her.
Wow. You. Thank you.
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Cheers. Happy birthday.
So we've just had yummy lunch at Pizza Hut, and we're now going to go to the cinema. The present I gave Dad this morning, despite having asked that or told the guy that sold it to me that I was going to be using it today, isn't valid until the 26th of December. So we've had to buy extra tickets. Let's see if I can get on an escalator without dying. And yeah, so it's not valid till the 26th. But never mind. We are home from the cinema. I don't know if we told you we went to the cinema. We went to see Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Grindelwald. Did you enjoy it, Mum?
I did indeed.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, I think I mentioned as well that the present I bought for Dad turns out that it's not valid until the 26th of December. as much as I told the guy it was for today. I only bought it on Friday, but never mind. Never mind, we're gonna have to go back. Dad is in the office at the moment replying to everybody's trying to reply to people's messages on Facebook to say thank you for wishing him happy birthday. He's got there now, yes. So Mum's made a cup of tea, she's eating cake. I'm not a big fan of cooked fruit, so I'm not going to have any of that cake. I know.
Plum crumble cake.
It's but you know, not my cup of tea.
Plum and almond.
Yeah, still not my cup of tea. Gonna have my cup of tea and then I'm going to go upstairs and do some work. Have you enjoyed your birthday, Papa?
Yes, I've had a very pleasant birthday, thank you.
Good. Did you like your cake?
The cake was fantastic.
That's good. Yeah, the two of you really enjoyed it, didn't you? So you can both finish it off. More for you.
I'm sorry you don't.
It's alright, I don't need cake, I had sweets.
I made you the chocolate one the other day.
You did, it was very good. Back up at mine now. So, yes, I really ought to dye my hair tonight. I really ought to get that done. Because it needs washing tomorrow, so if I dyed it tonight. This is the curls after 3 days as well. This is one of the reasons that I love having extensions in, is that styling it is so much easier than my own hair, although as you can see the reason I have to wash it is because my own hair desperately needs it. But anyway, yes, it's been a lovely day. It's a really lovely day. So annoying about that the dad's present, but I mean it means that we have tickets to go to the cinema from Boxing Day onwards, so there's that. But yeah, bit irritating, but never mind. It was fun seeing that film for the second time because there were parts in it that it was like, ooh, I remember you from the first time, and are you what I thought? And there were little bits and pieces, like, I think I can say this without spoiling it, the McGonagall paradox. How, you know, like, I'm guessing it's McGonagall's mum because they never say Minerva. It's only ever Professor McGonagall, and they say that twice. Yeah, I think it's Minerva's mum or even grandmother, possibly. Yeah, I think that's how they've gotten around that one, because otherwise Minerva would have been way too young given the age she is in Harry Potter. My battery's died, so I'm going to change that. I'm back. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below without spoiling anything, because I would be interested to hear your theories. My niece has some very definite theories about it, and I don't think she's overly happy with the Wizarding World at the moment, so yes. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to say goodnight. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, you could still hear the whatever it is. It's not like a cold, it's not a full-blown cold, it's just like bleh. So I'm still feeling a bit bleh. So I'm going to leave it here this evening, probably go sit in a nice long hot bath, watch some more Bones, make this all bright red because I still think it's going to look awesome. And yeah, that's going to be my evening. So I will see you all tomorrow for sewing, for actual sewing. Yes, see you tomorrow. Bye.